Okay, till
Maths
today.
test yesterday.
Math test results. I'm talking about the ratio
Oh,
proportion chapter results.
okay.
Okay? Yes.
Hmm.
So yes, Abraham.
I have a question, ma'am, that so today, this science test you're taking chapter 15 or chapter 16?
Chapter 15 I'm taking, okay? Because chapter 16 test I took already. Alright.
So once,
Chapter 16 I before the 15th we did the tests till 14th chapter. Then I left out the 15th chapter and gave you all a test for 16th chapter. That is sound. Okay, that test is done. Why I left 15th chapter? Because it's a big chapter, right? A big chapter. So I wanted to give you all more time to prepare for it. Alright, since it has a lot of things to be prepared, so I gave you all more time to prepare for the 15th chapter. Okay, a whole week around. So, Simeon, what we are discussing is that the test for the 15th chapter of science, we are doing it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we'll be doing the test of the 15th chapter of science, and today science regular class will be there, where we'll be having a group discussion, okay, on the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. All right. Okay, so let's begin with our class. So in the last class, we were doing the congruence of triangles. Can anyone quickly tell me what three properties have we studied till now?
Ma'am, side, 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 and angle, side, angle.
Yes, very good. Till now, we have studied side, 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 and angle, side, angle. And today we are going to take a look at the fourth property, that is RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Okay. Now, let's take two triangles. Let's take two triangles. This is triangle PQR. And one more. This is triangle, let's say X, Y, Z. Okay. Now, we can see that both the triangles are right angle triangles. Okay. Which means that triangles whose one angle is 90 degrees. Okay. Right angle triangles. Now, I am given that the measure of my QR is 4 centimeter. Okay. And because we are checking the congruency of right triangles, the measure of bicep will also be 4 centimeter. Now, what is my hypotenuse? I have explained this one. My hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to the right angle in the triangle. Okay, the side that is opposite to the right angle of a triangle. Okay, opposite to the 90-degree angle. So in the triangle PQR, my 90 degrees forming where? At Q. Right, so now my 90 degrees forming at Q, what will be my hypotenuse? PR, okay? It is the side that is exactly opposite to my 90 degree. So PR, that is my hypotenuse, is 6 centimeters, okay? Similarly, in triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree and XZ side XZ is exactly opposite to angle Y, that is 90 degree. So XZ is my hypotenuse. Again, its measure is 6 centimeter. Now, in the RHS rule, that is right angle hypotenuse side rule, what we see one right angle, okay? Then we see the hypotenuse, okay? And then we see the side, all right? Three things we see, okay? We see the right angle, okay? This thing. Then we see the hypotenuse and we see a side. So all these three things should be equal in both the triangles. It should be right angle, okay, then the same hypotenuse, and one side should also be same, so that we can say that the triangles are congruent by right angle hypotenuse side rule, okay, by RHS rule. All right. So this is what we see. Three things, okay? 90-degree angle, hypotenuse, that is the side opposite to the right angle, and one side, okay, or the base, one side, okay, we see. So all these things, three things should be equal in both triangles to make them congruent by RHS rule. Let's write this down. You can draw the figures. If in two right angle triangles, hypotenuse and one side of a triangle, are equal to hypotenuse and one side of the other triangle, respectively, then the two triangles are congruent. Okay, this is called RHS rule. I haven't put the heading, just put the heading right angle hypotenuse side congruency rule. Now, in the two triangles, if we have to prove their congruency by RHS rule, we draw two right angle triangles, okay, make the two sides similar, make the hypotenuse same, okay, and we write it in this way. In triangles, PQR and XYZ. Angle Q equals to angle Y equals to 90 degree. PR equals to XZ equals to 6 centimeter. Then QR
You are equal to
equals
YZ
to YZ
to 4 centimeters.
equals yes. Hence, triangle PQR is congruent to triangle XYZ by RHS rule.
Ma'am?
Okay. Yes, I
Ma'am,
see.
what's the symbol for congruency?
What's the symbol for congruency? This is the symbol for congruency,
Which one?
like this.
Ma'am, why is there a wavy line? I thought three equal.
No. One wavy line and one equals to, like two small straight lines and one wavy line.
I thought three straight lines.
No, one wavy, two straight. Okay. Now, also, when you're writing this proof of that both the triangles are congruent, while you write these three things, Q equals to Y, you can put in the bracket beside 90. This is right angle. Here you can put PR equals to XZ, hypotenuse, and QR equals to YZ, you can put side. Okay. So this is how you can prove it using the RHS rule. Okay, now we are write this down, please, and then we are going to try out some questions that are based on these properties.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay.
Also done.
Done? All right. Okay, so we will, I'm going to clear the screen right now. Let's try out one question. Two triangles I'm having, ABC and DSU. Okay, so in ABC, angle B 110 degree. Okay, AB is 3 centimeter and BC is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, in TSU, this angle 110 degree. Okay, 3 centimeter and 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now check if these two triangles are congruent. If yes, then pi which rule?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
I'm giving you time to think and solve, okay? Don't answer right now. Think about it, try solving, then we'll discuss.
Ma'am, do we have to draw the exact measures?
Do you all have to draw the exact measures? Not right now, okay? But don't like try to keep it close to the exact measures, okay? Both the triangles, try to keep the sides close to the exact measure. Okay, so I'm getting some answers. All right. Yes. So Edric and Zara are right. This is we will be using the side rule for this question. Okay. Now there is see the question is very simple. What they have done is they have changed the position of the other triangle. Okay, to confuse you all, they have just changed the position of the second triangle. They have just moved it like this. Okay, so the angle that was coming in at this side, it went to the upper side. Okay, so in the triangle, the position changed. Okay, the rest it is the same thing. All right, if you make it in this position, like the first one, you'll get that all the things are in the same place. So sometimes this thing also might happen. Okay, so don't get confused when such a thing happens. All right, that you will see that this triangle shape is different, that triangle shape is different. So how come they are congruent? If you move the shape, they'll be congruent. All right. So this is the congruent. It will be congruent through the side angle side rule.
Yes.
Here, AB equals to SD, that is 3 centimeter. Okay. Then we have angle B equals to angle P, that is 110 degree. Then we have one more side, that is BC equals to DU, that is 4.5 centimeter. Yes, they are congruent by side angle side rule. Okay, like this we can find it. written. Shall we move on to the next one?
No, ma'am, I'm still writing it. Please give me a minute.
Okay.
I'm done.
Okay.
Then not my turn.
Okay. Yes. So let's try another question.
Ma'am, is the line exactly in the half or is it a little to the left and a little to the right?
No, 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 it's exactly in the half. Okay.
Exactly.
It little bit overlapped. Okay, but I wanted to draw it exactly in half. All right.
Thank you.
You have to show that triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle PSR.
Ma'am, will we have another angle?
Will we have another angle? No, Abraham, we don't have another angle. Okay, we don't have
I
another
know.
angle.
I know which one.
We just know the that they are making right angles at S. That's all we know.
Ma'am, by which rule?
By which rule? Yes, you can write it by which rule. Okay. Done? Okay, so anyone wants to explain which rule exactly or how they are congruent?
Ma'am, RHS.
RHS. Okay. Why RHS?
Ma'am, because there is a right angle over there, then 6.5 centimeters and 6.5 centimeters are the hypotenuse, and PS is the
Hmm.
common side of both the triangles. So RHS.
Okay. Any other explanation? Anyone?
This one's RHS only.
Yes. So you all are right. It is RHS, and Edric has given us the right explanation. All right. Since we are having two right angles at S, we have the right angle. PQ and RS is our hypotenuse. We know the measure is 6.5 centimeter. And PS equals to PS in both the triangles. It is common. Okay. So equal side again. So it will be by RHS rule. In triangle PSQ and PSR, PQ is equals to PR, that is 6.5 centimeter. Then PS equals to PS, that is common side. Then we have angle PSQ equals to angle PSR equals to 90 degree. This is also given. So hence triangle PSQ is congruent to triangle PSR by RHS rule. Hope it's clear to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Then copy.
done copying. All right. So there is one last question that we are going to try out right now. Okay, Sarah, you can copy the question, write out at home. Okay, if you find any doubt, just let me know. Okay, in tomorrow's class, I'll discuss it with you. This is a very interesting question. Okay, we have two triangles. Now, let's name this PQ bar. STU. Okay, this is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. And this is 4 centimeter. This is 60 degree. This is Y. And this is X. Okay, the question is telling us that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, question is telling us what? the two triangles are congruent. What we have to check out is the value of x and y. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, so basically, here 60 plus 30 degrees, which is 90 degrees. So if x will equal to 60 degrees, since both the triangles are congruent. So 60 plus 30. Now we need to find y. 60 plus 30 equals to 90. And since all angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees, y equals to 180. See, y equals to 90 degrees.
Okay.
X equals
Very
to
good, Abraham.
and y equals to 90 degrees.
Very good, Abraham. That is the correct explanation. That's exactly how you all have to do it. We are given in the question that they are congruent under ASA. Find the value of. Sarah, hope you've understood. Right, so you can try this out. Okay.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Ma'am, x equals to 30 and y equals to, ma'am, 90.
Yes, that's right. That's right. Correct. So questions such as these can also be asked, okay, where you will be told that these triangles are congruent. What you will have to find is the measure of the angles, okay? So when they are congruent, you can easily find, if you know some angles, other angles also you can identify, okay? So let's try this. Then angle Q and TR equal this that we are given. QR and TU is also equal. So angle X will be 30 degree. Since angle R is 30 degree, so angle U, which is X, will also be 30 degree by ASA rule. Now, in triangle STU, angle S plus T plus U is 180 degree, because we know that the sum of all three angles per triangle is 180 degree. Okay. What is Y angle S? Angle S plus T we know 60 degree plus U we know is 30 degree equals to 180. Angle S plus 90 degree equals to 180. Then angle S equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree. Angle S equals to 90 degree, or Y equals to 90 degree. Okay. So hence we will have X 30 degree and Y 90 degree. Okay. Hope this question is clear to all.
Yes, ma'am. Just
Any
writing.
doubts? Okay, write it down.
Finish copying, ma'am.
Finished copying. Okay.
And ma'am.
Done. Okay. All right. So now we'll be meeting in the next class. Okay. See you all. Bye.
So
Bye,
I'm
ma'am.
still there right now at 11:40.
Okay. Yes. 11:40.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Yes, Abraham.
bye, ma'am.